Pete Gustus here, looking at 138 West Main Street in Pottstown. It's Owen J. Roberts School District. If you wanted to buy new construction and can't afford it, this house is for you. This home has been completely remodeled. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Let's go check it out. Coming into the home here, you're going to notice something nice. We actually have an open floor concept, which you're not going to find in a lot of homes in this price range. You're going to notice new windows, ceiling fans, LED lighting, pantry, all new appliances, granite countertops, and all new kitchen cabinetry with a double oven. The breakfast bar features seating for enough people so when you're serving meals, you can entertain them in the open floor plan. And here's a view from the kitchen. This home also has a double oven with mood lights, so you can change the lighting based on your theme. And you'll notice the granite countertops, stainless steel sink. It's very nice. You can see the garbage disposal and all the cabinetry is brand new. A high efficiency oil burner and water heater were installed. This is brand new. The laundry here was actually moved upstairs. It could actually be moved back downstairs if you want the 3rd bedroom. But if you only need 2, it makes it very convenient. The bathroom was also remodeled. It's actually pretty large. And it's an all new surround shower tub. It's very nice. And you also have a nice view of the backyard. So you'll have a private bathroom. And you can see the detail. And we're looking at the 3rd bedroom here. Nice thing is there's a playground and it's only half a block down the street. You do have a backyard, which is nice. And no backyard neighbors. Thank you for previewing 138 West Main Street. Give me a call, Pete Gustus, 610-209-9219 for a private tour.